Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer account in Pixelgon 3D. Switching accounts in Pixelgon 3D can feel a bit confusing at first, especially when everything seems tied to one profile. What I usually do before anything is make sure my current account is linked on email, just in case. I learned hard way that losing progress is not fun. Now, to actually switch accounts, you'll need the game in a sort of fresh state. That usually means reinstalling the app or logging out so it doesn't auto-load your current account. Once you reopen it, you'll get the option to log in with a different email. I choose the email link to my other account. If there is an existing data, the game will recognize it right away and load that profile. Quick tip, don't confuse this with switching characters. That's still within the same account. If you want a full account change, it always comes down to logging in with a different linked email. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.